Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time you're coming here, I say a very big welcome. All right. For those of you who want to know the differences and how effective this tool works, as a matter of fact, they are very essential. All right, it's very essential. It's just that the way things today cost, if not, these are the things you should be using whenever you are making your products. You're making your promixing. All right, these are the right serum you should be using as well. For those of us who don't want to use industrial, you can be using all this. They are very effective. You understand? This one plus vitamin C and E. All right, so which is very good, very effective. You can be using them. And when you use them, you know they should be original one. We have the orange one, which is quite different from this also, but as a matter of fact, they are all effective. Do not miss this information I'm giving you. Do not miss this. If you are using them, make sure you use them according to the percentage. All right. So please don't just carry pour like you're the poor things like saying no, no do all this kind of mixture. I think because you might not get the result, or you get the result and I don't want your product to get any side effect. Do the right thing, as I said. So don't forget, you can always search for austinglobalskincare.com to do your shopping. All right, everything, the promo is still on. If you want us to ship for you, we ship everywhere worldwide. Don't forget to, the promo is still on. So bye bye.